Hey guys, this is Karen Munasing, and I want to personally welcome you all to today's video. And in today's video, I'm actually doing this because I see so many people who are asking questions how to get your Empower Network link, blog, URL to a custom domain. And this is one of the major feature with the new Empower Network, where you no longer have to have a domain that says Empower Network, because if you do, or if you've been in Empower Network, you know that when you go on Facebook, they tend to block this link. So with the new version, the blog Beast, it allows you to customize your Empower Network domain, where Facebook will see it as your personal domain and will not block this. So that's one of the major features. And now, since it has launched, we have to go in and get our blog set up so we can go out and start sharing it with the world and changing lives. So I'm already logged into my dashboard of Empower Network, but before I go any further, I want to encourage you all to also head on over to Godaddy, because this is where you're going to do some changes with Godaddy. But the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and purchase your domain. Godaddy gives you the ability of purchasing domains for very cheap, very inexpensive domains. So make sure you go ahead and get a domain together. I have already purchased my domain, so I'm going to log into my account. So this is the back office or the dashboard of Godaddy, my personal account here that I have. I have several domains. So the custom domain that I am going to be using for Empower Network, I've already purchased it. So once you log in, you want to go ahead and click on domains right here. As I said, I have a number of domains, but the one that I want to use today, and I already purchased it, is simpleprosperitymarketingblog.com. So when I send people to my blog, it's going to say simpleprosperitymarketingblog.com instead of empowernetwork.com/kmunasing or kmunasing.empower.network, because Facebook doesn't like that. So this is what we're going to do to customize it. So I'm going to go ahead and click launch. So we're going to be flipping back and forth between Empower Network and Godaddy. So here we are. I already purchased it, and I click launch, and this is what's important right here, where once you log into Godaddy, it says DNS zone file. That is a file that we want to change, and if you click on that, it says click on DNS zone file. Okay. And we want to scroll down to where it says see name. If you remember, when I first logged into Empower Network, I'm sorry, we're under customize. Right here under customize, it's looking for a C name, custom domain right here. I already have mine listed here, but basically when you first log in to Empower Network, this will be blank. So what you'd want to do, and what I did, was enter my domain that I purchased right here, and then it's going to advance and give you the CNAME value, which is kmunasing.empower.network.com. So this is what I want to pull. I want to grab this from here. I want to copy this minus the period at the end. So I'm going to right click and copy that. Okay, and I'm going to head back over to Godaddy. Hopefully I'm still logged in. Yep, great. So I'm going to visit my account. And as I said, we got to launch the domain. And I'm going back to Simple Prosperity, launch it. and I'm going to go to DNS zone file. And you're going to scroll down. You see where it says CNAME alias? That's what we want to change, okay? And this is where we're going to put it. So I'm going to go and click edit. And this will now allow me to enter Empower Network right here. So I've purchased my domain with GoDaddy, and so it's on their hosting right here. It's holding on their hosting right here. So that's why I need to grab Empower Network, right? And click on the DNS zone file, click edit or click the pencil. That's what it means. You can edit. So I'm going to take the @ symbol out, and the CNAME value that I copied from Empower Network, that's where I'm going to post. That is where I am going to paste that. And then I'm going to go over here and do save zone file. Says you are about to modify existing. The reason why it's saying that because I did it earlier, but something happened where it didn't go through, so I'm redoing it again. So I'm going to hit OK. That's fine. They're saying it's going to take about an hour to populate. That means it's going to take an hour to do the magic behind the scene. So when so just go ahead and click OK. And basically what we're going to do, we're going to wait. It says you need to wait for it to do the magic, so it will populate. They're saying it's going to take 30 minutes. GoDaddy says an hour, so we're just going to hang tight and wait until it's completed. So this is what needs to happen once it populates and does its magic. Once you have this, so make sure you have these information here. Once you have this and it does its population right here, it says DNS changes can take or filter around the web for 30 minutes. So go ahead, they say wait, get something to eat and come back. So once you do that, you should click here, and it's where it says verify custom domain, and that basically should say domain has been verified. Once that is verified, I'm gonna go ahead and click it and see what happens. I'm just kind of I know sometimes technology can go quicker than we thought. So there it is. It says my domain has been verified successfully. Yay! So let's test this out. As you said, as I told you, normally it will be empowernetwork.com/KarenMonasing, but I customized my domain, and what I wanted to say is simple prosperity marketing blog.com. Let's see what happens. So it's still doing its magic. So we're going to wait and we're going to come back. But basically what should happen is once I type this in the search bar here, it should populate with Empower Network minus all of that right here. This is what you're going to see in the search bar. So I hope this video helps you in getting your beast set up. Please leave me a message. Leave a comment below. Let me know if it works for you, or let me know if you have a simpler way in doing so. And again, I look forward seeing you on stage. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.